single one of you fails my test, I'll make sure the whole class gets held back. All of us were shaking because his tests were impossible. He handed them out, and when we read the first question, we all looked at each other. Some students were crying. Nobody's pencil were moving. But then, our teacher's phone rang. He walked out of the room to answer it, closing the door behind him. We knew this was our chance. What did you get for number 1? But nobody knew a thing. But just as Mitch flipped to the back, his eyes lit up. He held up his page. Guys, I think this is the answer key. Then, the handle turned. Everyone went silent. The teacher walked in, glared at all of us, and said, "Sorry guys, my wife's calling. I'll be back in 2 minutes. No cheating." He shut the door. Everyone looked at Mitch. Instantly, everyone ran over to his desk, memorizing answers, fighting for a peek. We were all trying to read them, shoving each other aside. 30 seconds left. "Give me that!" We all started to learn what the Pythagorean theorem meant. Every equation, every definition. I heard him walking up to the door. "He's coming." We ran back to our desks, but I saw it. The answer key was still out. The handle turned, but I said, "The key, hide it quick." Mitch's eyes went wide, but he walked in. Did someone say something? Everyone was silent. He glared at us, then at Mitch. I looked closer, and his cheeks were puffed. He put the test in his mouth. Our teacher walked by and sat down. We all started writing, but when I handed in my test, he said, "Wait." My heart was racing. "Do you have something to tell me?" Oh no, I was busted. He leaned in, squinting. I sighed. "I'm sorry. Someone left an answer key on Mitch's desk. We all copied off of it. You guys memorized every answer and copied them all down? Do you realize what that is?" I was ready to repeat the year. "Yes, sir. It's cheating." But he put his hand on my shoulder. "Wait, what?" He smiled. "That's called studying. Who do you think left it there? If a single one of you fails my test, I'll make sure the whole class gets